Hey guys, welcome back to Studio Race. We have another unboxing of the Wilson & Fisher Grandview Cushion High Dining Room Chair. Alright, we're going to jump right into the unboxing time lapse. Only thing I can tell you guys that this is going to take you a long time to put together. You have a lot of screws for these chairs. So make sure you have ample space for this and able to sit it up on some type of table or something to help you, because you're going to be either on your legs for a long time or you're going to be standing in the same position for a long time to put this together. It's not difficult, it's quite easy to put together, it's just time consuming. And as you can see, I'm going to be knocking this out. It's going to take me a while. From, you can see, daylight, and I'm just a little spoiler, I'm going to be losing daylight and putting this together. That's how long it took me to put it together. But again, it's the Fisher Wilson Grandview Cushion High, and again, we picked this up long ago with our fire pit. Check out that video that was posted early. A nice fire pit also. I think it's a good value, and especially tip, if you have any damage on your items from Big Lock, go back there and haggle it, especially if you can live with the damage, such as a chip paint or a little dent here or dent there. Go back, haggle, get that price down even more, because again, I told my wife there was some damage to these items, not a real big deal, something we can live with, but was able to get even a deeper discount. So, and being that these are outdoor furniture, it's gonna take some abuse, so I was willing to live with it, and she was. So we even got a better deal than advertised on their website. So that's just a little pointer to you. Again, very easy to put together. It's just gonna take you a long time because you're dealing with so many screws. So enjoy the time lapse, guys. We'll look at the end product, and if you got any question, if you have these chairs, hit me down in the comments. Let me know what you think about them. I think they're pretty cool, and that's that. All right, so guys, enjoy the time lapse, enjoy the open boxing, and we'll see you. I'll talk to you at the end of the video. Alright guys, I just want to show you, I finally got all the seats set up. Well, not all set up, but got all the screws in, got it put up. I'm losing daylight here. You guys, if you're going to pick this up, this is going to take a few hours to put this whole thing together. Alright, it's a lot of screws to put this all together. Alright, so we're going to pick this video up tomorrow with some daylight, so you guys get a better look at it all together. As I noted before, you saw some dents there, so we call the store. I'm gonna bring it back to them as is, and they're just gonna give us another one to replace this one. All right, I'm not taking this thing apart, so I'm gonna just bring it back to them or reassembled, and most likely they'll just give us another one, and I'll have to put that one together. So, and that's it. All right, so these are the 6 chairs. As you can see, I got a mess in the back I gotta clean up, so we'll pick this up tomorrow. All right guys, here's the following day. One seats are put together. All right, forgive the plastic and stuff still on it. All right, wifey still has to come out here and inspect it. So I didn't want to take everything off because, again, the final touches, you gotta let the wife do it. All right. It's still kind of cool out here. It's not. So I don't know if she wants to keep the. Most likely she don't want to put the cushions away. So that's why I didn't take off the plastic. But overall, as far as the seating, it looks very nice. All right. For you guys, as far as the seating in it, it will take a long time to put this together. There's a lot of screws. It's not complicated. It's very simple to put together. It's just a lot of screws. All right, to put this thing together. All right, the base and onto the chair. Pretty much that's it. It's the screws down here and what's going into the mechanism that makes it swivel. All right, so it's very easy to put together. It's just gonna take you a while to do it because you're dealing with six chairs. So again, this is a closer look at it. All right. Again, another closer look at it. Down there is the base that causes it to swivel. Again, all the screws, guys. And actually, there's only 8 screws. No, 4, 8, 12 screws. To put this together. 12? No, 8. Yeah, the base. Yeah. Yeah, 12 screws to connect the base to the chair and the legs to the chair, and then the legs down here. Yeah, 12 screws each for 6 chairs. So it's just a lot of screws you got to put in to get this thing all put together. But once you get it done, it looks pretty good. Well made. So we should have a lot of enjoyment. Okay. And again, this is the Grandview 6 high swivel chair by Wilson and Fisher. Alright guys, if you liked the video, it was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and I'll check you on the next one.